Hello everyone, welcome to another Blu-ray unboxing video. Today we have the 4K SteelBook for Terrifier 3. I don't believe this comes with the digital copy, so there won't be a giveaway in this video, unfortunately. I'm not sure why, maybe because it's an independent movie. That's my only assumption. So yeah, no digital, at least I think. I ordered these recently because I am a newer Terrifier fan, be totally honest with you guys. And I don't think, these had digitals in them. So, but I'm sure this will be streaming somewhere. It has to be. So, yeah, Terrifier 3. I reviewed this back in October when it came out. And like I mentioned, I am a new Terrifier fan. I just got into these movies, hearing about the third movie. I had always heard a lot of talk about these, so I finally decided to check them out, and I am a huge fan now. I am totally into it. I understand the hype, and whenever Terrifier 4 comes out, I will be right there seeing it, so yeah. Now, this did come out on Tuesday, and it is Friday, so this did arrive 3 days late. I ordered this one from Amazon, so Walmart is innocent for now. Except when I unbox Joker 2 and Transformers 1. I will have quite a few things to say about Walmart when I unbox those this weekend, when they get here. But for right now, in this video at least, Walmart's innocent. So, yeah, I'm not sure why this got delayed. I pre-ordered it a while back, so I don't know. But it's in perfect condition, so I can't complain too much. So it just came a little late. Damien Leone's Terrifier 3. And then I believe that's Cinedigm as the studio. So, and this is NC... Oh, not NC-17. It's just unrated, my bad. And it did very well at the box office, which is crazy. It was the #1 movie in America at one point. So, yeah, Terrifier is taking over. So, now I don't know how you guys feel. I do not like this artwork, to be honest. I obviously, go for the SteelBooks usually, the exclusives, so I just ordered this regardless. I'm not loving this artwork here. I think there's a slipcover version with, like, a holographic, like, Santa Claus version of Arthur, or Art the Clown, I should say. Sorry, I'm thinking about Joker, Arthur Fleck. Yeah, I think that one looks cooler, to be honest. But this is still a nice SteelBook. It's glossy finish, nice and shiny. So mine's got a little bit of a dent up here, but whatever. So, but yeah, Art the Clown's looking very, very terrifying. I'll just say that right here on this artwork. So, 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray, and you don't even get a J card or anything. And that was the same case with this one. Just had the artwork, and that was really it. So, and then the first movie. Hopefully, one day we'll get like a similar sort of SteelBook to these two. So we'll see. And the first movie has grown on me quite a bit, actually. If you go back to my review of Terrifier 3, I didn't really have a lot of great things to say about the first movie. But here's the inside. So you do get an insert. Screenbox, I believe, is a streaming service. Yeah, Screenbox is a streaming service where the body count is always on the rise. So I guess it's similar to, man, I don't know why I can't think of the name. The other one, Shudder. There you go. I don't know why I couldn't think of Shudder's name. So... And they got some classics on there. Sleepaway Camp, Reanimator. I've never seen Reanimator, by the way. So, Sleepaway Camp, by the way, if you've never seen it, one of the most shocking endings of all time. It actually gave me nightmares when I first saw that movie. It absolutely scared me. Nowadays, it's probably not as, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm older. But, man, that terrified me. So, but speaking of terrifying... So the Blu-ray disc is blue, the 4K was red, so they should have went red and green for Christmas colors. But here you go, you got Art the Clown there with his awesome glasses and his Santa Claus outfit, and then you got Vicky right there. So really loved these two in the movie, and I'm not sure if I said it in this video, this was my favorite of the 3 movies. I like it 3, 2, 1, that's my order, so... And like I said, the first movie has grown on me, so I don't dislike it or anything like that. Yeah, this artwork's fine, I like this picture on the back. This is after a nap, I'll just say that, if you haven't seen the movie. So the spine's cool, too. And then the front, I wish they went with something else. It's not bad, it's just... Like, compared to this one, it's not that great in terms of the artwork. But I'll give the SteelBook I'll give it like an 8.5. Again, it doesn't have a J card or anything, or but the artwork's nice, pretty much all around. So, yeah, I think it's a fair grade. And then there's the credits if you want to pause and read anything there. Oh, Cineverse. I don't know why I thought it was Cinedime. So, but yeah, that's really about it. I don't have a lot to say. No giveaway, unfortunately, like I said. But definitely check these movies out if you haven't. If you're not into horror, it's probably going to be very hard to watch because these movies are incredibly graphic and they just get more graphic each time. So, yeah, make sure you have a stomach if you're going to check these out. But they're definitely worth it. I'm totally invested. I am a diehard Terrifier fan now. And I will definitely be checking out however many movies they decide to make. So, but anyways, thank you guys for watching, and let me know your ranking of the Terrifier films in the comments. If you want to include the short films and All Hallows Eve, you can do so as well. And that's really about it. Thanks for watching, and have a good one. Bye-bye.